You take it too serious. Be a little piece, just a little feel up.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from KingMixUp, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. There's stuff I telling you what I go on for not to go on the semi, so let's just kick it off with Dancehall Queen Shenseea. Wow, she out here confirming say I really too much she have, Skillibeng and Masicka, you know what I mean, and she's not pleased with what she's seeing. You see me, I say, cause the two of them are one another, and that's what she asks on her social media account. Why is her husband and her baby father a fight? Put in the comment section who is the Aussie and who is the BD, because people is saying a Skilly are the real man, You see me say, and I'm inclined to believe that because look how embarrassing Masicka is now. And look how long he had this up Skillibeng, and Skillibeng finally answer and no gun mouth have to come out before Masicka drop something intense, drop one this song before Masicka come out and this Skillibeng wicked, you know what I mean? And in a clash, anything better than nothing, because if you don't put out nothing, you're going to be considered a loser. So not only did Masicka lose the clash, lose the war, him lose the girl, because no woman no want no coward. Rona, you see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The Alkalines them full of excuse, but him have album for deal with when them done pay a bunch of payola websites for same sellout arena and all of these good stuff, And this is his last album on Def Jam, and they're not going to sign him back because it flopped, you know what I mean? Him son to sign to international record label, and them only selling 3,000 copies, like one local artist now who selling to no record label. You see, I say, so the venture don't even make no sense, but as I said before, Masicka have the street credibility, and I still want to interview him too. Say, when him 11-year-old, him have to left him grandmother yard for go live with him papa, and him never told like that, so him start withdrawal and depressed and lock up in a room, and a ball and all of this good stuff. You see me, I say, so people, Masicka, him not have no style, him can't manage Skillibeng, so I don't think we're going to get a clash anytime soon. You see me, I say. Anyway, let's proceed to the next, because Kartel has styled him up wickedly, Kartel a post up, the thing them again, you only want to sell out O2 Arena, but he's saying, I'm waiting and smiling and all of these things. Continue make them fool, The truth hurt, but lies destroy. You see me, I say. And there's a heavy lot of payola going out there by people, but honestly, Kartel is the only really one verified to be selling out these arenas. I checked with billboards, and billboards said they didn't get the promoter settlement. Listen, I said these are how billboards and Rolling Stones and all of these people that do these box office reviews about ticket sale and concert sales. This is how they get proof that this amount of tickets was sold, and the promoter only put the promoter settlement for Vybz Kartel, obviously, because they made real history and make real blood clot money, over $8 million US. So yeah, Vybz Kartel style them wicked idiots. No, dancehall artist Zambie Brain is wanted by law enforcement for a lottery scam, and he is wanted for questioning right now. He's listed as a suspect. Say Amaya basically snitched on him, you know what I mean? Homegirl was sent to go pick up an $8,000 from one 74-year-old victim. Who heard Jamaican accents and called the cops. You know what I mean? So that's how she get knocked now. And when she get knocked, she say 10 times she do this, and it's her childhood friend, Zidane Prescott, squash driver, 6. It's the one who instructed her to do so. So right now the police them want to talk to him, You see, I say squash, it's not a good look for the 6, because all of the things them you're singing at your music is really no cap. You see, I say, because them say squash, I chop the line, and let me stop, I have one sweepstakes song, you see, I say, so, you know what I mean? Zidane says 6, squash is a 6 leader. Yeah, only can do the maths. Anyway, people, do the right thing and subscribe to The Real King, me. It's a must, and check out these next suggested videos on the screen. In the meantime, it's a must, bless.